Santiago is already two-time MVP.
Oo,
Mahirap
kaya
yun,
kaya naman nandito sila eh. Silang dalawa yung nandito sa ating final game.
Ina Papa will get us started. We are underway. The great Jen Reyes with the reception. Here is Tintin Santiago with the first point.
With a jiggy, Tintin Santiago getting the first point.
MVP getting the first score para dito sa Lady Bulldogs. Ruby De Leon, last year's finals MVP to serve. Dak is on the reception. Ina Papa, bibigay kay Bernadette Pons. Dug up there by Jaja Santiago. Has enough room for Ruby. Tinulak naman ito si Tintin. Gonzaga across. Pons off the hands of Mandapat.
Nako, mukhang magiging masaya tong game na to.
Mukhang mamamaos tayo dito. Si first
yan naman
set
ang gusto
pala.
na.
Yan.
Yes.
It's for the fans.
Alam mo, mas gusto natin yung tiki na game kaysa minsan yung lopsided na game, di ba? Minsan napapagbintangan pa tayong bias pag ganun eh. Di ba? Kasi siyempre you have to call it as it is eh.
I do not bring those things up during the coverage.
Pero tayo, we look at them beyond the color of their jersey. 11 years in volleyball.
Correct. Here is a great job by Kasugod.
There you go. Ang saya lang, Kasugod. Alam mo, may saying volleyball, kailangan talaga happy volleyball.
Right.
Yun naman, we always say that.
Masasabi natin, dahil sa happy na, nanalo at tayo sa UAP.
Oh, and even before that, di ba, yan na nga yung mantra natin dito.
Right. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Love, love, love.
Yes, kailangan happy volleyball.
Mandapat will miss. That was an open side. And Coach Shaq saying, what happened to your defense, FEU?
But it goes for FEU. So point goes to FEU. Diba kasi yung mga bata ngayon, nakita na natin in and out, diba? Mula ng mga bata. We see them beyond the color of their jerseys or even leagues. Walang barrier. Mga parang anak namin yung mga yan. Anak, si Ann pala ate.
Malaki-laki ang anak mo yun. Pumalong napakalakas na serve. Ito si Terry Palma. 3-2. Coach Shaq, anak din natin.
Kaya na si Coach Shaq. Nakita niya natin siya sa USC, napunta ng FEU. Diba? Yung gano'n natin kamahal ng volleyball. Volleyball period.
We are a very loving community. Jaja, Ruby, Mandapat. Great. Take by Agno sa ngiti.
With a smile.
Jovelyn Gonzaga off the hands of the blockers. Good start for FEU. So si Guapa nakapuntos na. The Bionic Guapa. Papaguhin ko na yung moniker niya. Hindi na yung Bionic Ilongga. The Bionic Guapa na yan.
You know, again, expect veteran moves from Tintin Santiago, from Ruby De Leon, Rachel Andakis, ito si Jovelyn Gonzaga. Mga na yan, veterano sa larong volleyball.
Second service error na kontra dito sa FEU. Jovelyn Gonzaga, believe it or not mga kaibigan, as acted as the official outfitter of the Shakey's Billy. Believe it or not, Jovelyn Gonzaga is only 21 years old.
Oo, pero di ba ang maganda kasi sa kanya yung experience niya sa national team, sa iba-ibang teams, di ba? Laging naiimbita yan.
Dakis, back up there by Tintin. Ruby across, Myla Pablo. Lusot.
Myla Pablo with a little space between the blockers of FEU at saka yung net. Nakalusot.
Ito, di kita po itong ating first set. But just the theme of the first two sets ng ating game 1. Mina Agana, the silent operator.
Ang ganon. Long on that serve. Alam mo, magiging factor yan. Yung mga errors, mga unforced errors na nakocommit na parehong team.
Parang yung fans nga natin dito hating-hati. Kalahating FEU, kalahating NU. So, it's going to be interesting which crowd support will reign supreme dito. Here is De Leon. Myla Pablo off the hands of Ina Papa. Good choice.
Right, and off the block point from Pablo.
Now si Mandapat will serve. Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil and Aerosol is a proud partner for Shakey's Feeling, proudly Philippine made. Here is Papa now. Dakis off the hands of Jaja. Ruby, kabila, Pablo again. Pablo!
What a save from Jovelyn!
And here's the spike coming from Pons. Dakis keeping it alive. Kasugod, tinawid. De Leon, quick step to Jaja.
And yun ang kasagutan ng NU kasi si Kasugod went for a dump. Na
Yun.
easy taking naman for NU. They were able to set up for a quick play.
Parang naasal pa nga si Rachel, but that not with mukha agad. Again, she's just picked up the sport a few years ago. Dakis tries to save it. Crossing violation, it appears.
Oh, masyadong malapit sa net.
Oh, Rachel pa nasaktan doon, ha?
Oh, alam mo ako, hindi ako makahinga pag ganyan yung collision in the middle. Diyan ako takot na takot dahil sa volleyball, yan lang naman ang pwede silang mag-contact, di ba?
Right.
Na maaaring minsan, dyan natin nakikita most of the injuries.
Most of the
na,
sprains. Kyla Pablo blocking the 6'1". Genevieve Kasugod, and after a good start by FEU, lamang po ang NU ng tatlo dito po sa ating first technical timeout.
Saga at si Dakis. Ang sabi nga nila, no, one of the biggest changes they've seen is how the girls have quickly matured and how they've improved when it comes to dealing with pressure during the game. May kumpiyansa na rin daw ang mga bata, kaya very proud ang dalawa sa narating nila with the team and they hope to make history with them. Meanwhile, itong si Dindin Santiago naman earlier shared no how the team is adjusting with the absence of Ordaz. Ayon sa kanya, now more than ever, they need to play with teamwork para masuportahan ng player that will fill in for Ordaz na si Mandapat. Noel and Mozzie?
Well, again, Aiko Ordaz, we wish her well.
Yes.
This is going to take a while as Ruby De Leon performs a magic trick.
Pero mga bata naman yun, they will recover
Right.
easily and yung makakabalik din man siya kagad sa game. As you see this, alam mo, si Ruby, bago pa man may Jemperer, bago pa man may makatuno,
Kahit
Ruby
dati
De
pa,
Leon.
before Janet Serapica, di ba? Andyan na si Ruby De Leon, long-time member of the national team. Here's Jaja Santiago, member of the present national team ngayon. Here is Remy Palma. Jaja, good reflexes that time, and Ate Dindin will get it across. Gonzaga, Papa, eto si Rachel. Here is De Leon now. Dindin will miss.
Si Dindin was really asking for it and nag-giggle doon a bit wide for Dindin.
Still a 2-point lead, however, for NU. Eto na, kalaban ni Rachel yung baterya para sa remote control.
Wag mo lang usugin, nandyan yan.
Hindi, sabi ni Jen
Pero
Reyes,
kay Jen
ano ba yung remote na yan? Oh, wow, what a power shot there from the MVP.
That's right. Agno was in the right place. It was just too powerful for her. Ang lakas ng palo ni Dindin.
There are very few players sa Shakey's Billy who have won 2 MVP awards already. Ones to come to mind, alam ko Pinok Pesini, Sue Rostes, Ging Balse, and now, ito si Dindin Santiago joins that group. And Bernadette Pons, one day, might be an MVP in this league.
That's right. And that was an MVP attack there. Hindi na niya pinahirapan ng sarili. Also went for a push. Sabi niya, ito Ruby, gato naman. Yung gato yung ginawa mo kanina.
Alam mo, ang daming kumukumpara sa kagalingan ni Bernadette Pons kay Sheila Pineda.
Ayan, mga ganyan kasi kategorya niya.
Ruby, talo kay Pons. No call. There's a late whistle and that will be called double touch. Hindi pala tumama ang kamay ni Pons according to referee Philip Season.
And yung nakita mo si Philip Season, sure na sure siya that it was the right call.
That lead is down to 1. And because it's the official ball of the Shakey's V-League, best setter of the league, Ina Luis Papa. With an ace.
And that gets some real estate from NU. So, Papa gets the point.
Well, ginawa muna niya kay Rachel yung remote control. Para mo natin. Ako muna gagamit.
Pasa-pasa natin yan. Kailangan natin lahat yan.
Tied at 10. Papa once again. Jen Reyes na. Ang kumuha. Running attack for Dindin.
Dindin Santiago going down the line. Ang ganda.
Again, it's Ruby De Leon setting it well so far dito. She must play a lot of minutes. Kailangan talaga babad na babad si Ruby dito. Not to take anything away from Ivy Perez. Pero pag si Ruby De Leon, yung plus-minus niya is off the charts talaga.
Kasi you need the connection to your middle hitters.
Right.
Yun ang pinakamalaking advantage ng NU. So, kailangan dun sila pumunta.
Kinuha ni Dindin yung para kay Aganon. Pons, pinarusahan ang depensa ng NU.
And dahil yan doon, sa pagkuha ni Dindin, pag-stretch niya doon sa last play, nagkaroon ng pagkakataon si Pons for that very fast open hit na nailagan niya na si Ninlin.
Si Agano naman, right, that si Mandapat was not at the right spot. Tied at 11 now. Remy Palma, still with a heavily bandaged left knee na ilang buwan na nakalipas. Nandun pa rin yung kanyang injury galing UAP. Cross-court is a good one from Mandapat.
There you go, that's a cross-court hit. Yan kailangan nila, yung mga points, extra yan eh, bonus yan, coming from Mandapat, Aganon.
Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil and Aerosol is a proud partner of the Shakey's Really proudly Philippine-made.
Parang kanina, sabi mo nga, hindi pwedeng si Gonzaga at si Dakis lang sa kabila. Sa kabila, hindi rin pwedeng Santiago Sisters lang.
Well, the league's best server just made a service error.
Tao lang, tao lang.
Oh, siyempre. Kahit na akala natin hindi.
Kahit hindi mukhang tao.
Oh, Bernadette Paul, that's a great serve. Here's Gonzaga ngayon. Dakis with the left hand. Sinubo sa kamay ni Mandapat. And yan ang gulang veterana na ibinibigay ni Queen Rachel.
Tama, seasoned player like Rachel Dakis. Marami tayong makikita niyan ngayon.
Alam mo,
sigurado.
sa tinagal-tagal ni Rachel sa volleyball, wala pa siya moniker. Bigay mo lang yung moniker, Queen Rachel na lang siya. Oh, Bernadette Pons.
Si RAD kasi siya eh. So,
Right.
NU with 4 attack points so far and a single block point. FEU with 2 and a block point.
Bernadette Pons.
Pala mga Angela Benting. Yung
Yeah.
mga kapareho nito eh.
Bangladesh Pantaleon. Yung mga, oh my goodness. What a serve from Bernadette Pons na marami nagsasabi dapat, I think she finished second sa MVP balloting. I think she finished second sa MVP balloting. So,
Hindi naman nakakagulat yan.
Oo.
The way she played here in this season, in this conference.
another one! Bernadette Pons has been possessed by the volleyball god. It's been a while.
Kaya nga
talaga.
natatawa ko pagka nababayas pa ako.
Andun pa rin tayo.
Sa 11 years.
Andun pa rin tayo.
O,
Here is
ikaw.
Papa. Ako inaaway na rin ako ngayon. Pero bago lang yun. Dakis Ultis. 16, 13. Parang may ano eh. Talagang
Wala naman.
may asim eh.
Wala. Sinasabi ko lang.
Wala naman ako.
Tendency talaga minsan eh because it is a lopsided game. Kaya ikaw gusto mo nga 5 sets pala.
Kaya nga, it's for the fans.
That's right.
And Gonzaga feeds that off of Myla Pablo's hands.
There you go. Ang FEU, parang yung kumpiyansa, ramdam na ramdam natin
Yes.
eh. Diba?
And alam mo, si Dakis has taken over the team on the floor already.
Well, kanina yung sa report ni Ann, yung ang maganda doon is that they became really good examples to
Right.
the younger ones. It's si Jovelyn at itong si Rachel.
Sa net violation against Kasugod, puntos yan para dito sa NU. In fact, itong dalawa, si Rachel, si Queen Rachel at saka ito si Bayonin Guapa, si Jovelyn Gonzaga, role model for volleyball period. Role
Tama.
model for volleyball period. Here's Dakis now on the approach, and Dakis will drop that in. Si Rachel has taken care of herself over the years. Walang bisyo, does not want to come out in anything na masyadong revealing. Yung mga ganun talaga. Ayaw niya kasi ma-disappoint yung mga fans if she does something that's, diba, that may taint her name.
Pero mabait talagang bata yan.
Yes.
On the other side naman, the Santiago Sisters,
Oh, isa pa yan.
talagang look up sa kanila. Talagang look up, literal.
And Joanna Beljanela is in the game for the first time. It's Fun Family Pizza. It's gotta be shaky. Here's the
Ayan.
quick. And Jaja will just barely miss that one.
Sayang, it was a bit wide, but you have to admit that the Santiago Sisters really helped raise the level of the game.
That's right. Timeout, Dog de la Cruz. Behind na by 5 ang NU.
Relax lang sa loob, huwag kayo magmamadali. O, tapos na natin yan, tapos yan. Tapos relax tayo. Bumlak tayo, bumlak tayo. Huwag tayo talon-talon lang.
Ganda na suggestion is ang panginiram naman daw ni Pons yung remote control kay Rachel.
Oo nga. Hindi,
Uy, alam
ang
mo-
totoo niya, nagpapasahan sila. nakikita ko.
Kay Jonella na kaya.
Yan,
Kay Jonella. Oy, alam niyo yung mga fans na nagpapabati, kahit gusto ko po kayong patiin, pag pumasok
Ang
yung
dami
messages
lang
nyo,
talaga.
17 na sabay-sabay. So, hindi ko po masasabi lahat yan. Another drop here, but there is the save coming from Jonella. Parang pinsan niya. Here is Jonella again. Back set, Rachel. And that is in for the Queen.
That's right. FEU now with 7 attack points and a single block pero 4 service aces na, partner. Ang NU naman 8 attack points and a block point.
Nanggugulat na naman ang FEU dito. They're now ahead by 6, their biggest lead of the game.
Dapat
Jonella.
ang NU bumunot talaga doon sa blocking nila
Right.
eh.
Jen Reyes keeps that one alive. And
Oh,
crossing violation on Jen Reyes.
At si Sen Reyes ang kakatawa. Sinayawan pa si Sir Replica. Dahil nga naman pagtayo niya,
Hindi, alam mo kung
lumusot
bakit.
yung paa
Bawi
niya.
yan ni Efren Gaa. Kasi naalala ko dati, no first referee si Efren Gaa, naglalaro pa sa Meralco si Jen Reyes. Pag save ni Jen Reyes ng bola, diretso siya sa tore ni Efren Gaa. Inalog niya yung tore. Akala ni Efren Gaa, mahuhulog siya. Great block by Dakis.
That is right. And a solid block there from FEU. Much to the coaching staff delight. Talaga namang tuwang-tuwa si Coach Shaq.
Another timeout for Dom de la Cruz. 8-point lead now for the Lady Tamaraws. Ang ginagawa dito ni Rachel Andakis. She hit a down-the-line shot earlier and now participating on defense. Kita mo, triple block yung
Yes,
nakabang,
yun sana ang sasabihin ko. Tingnan mo naman, triple block ang commitment ng FEU. Mahirapan talaga ang NU.
Lion Tiger, Mosquito Coil, and Aerosol is a proud partner of the Shakey's V-League, proudly Philippine-made. De Leon, Myla Pablo, saved there by Pons. Jonella in the air for nobody. Ay! Jovelyn!
Yung kumpiyansa nandun lang talaga, partner. And in that last play, makikita mo yung court awareness, di ba? Yung kumpiyansa ng FEU.
Beach volleyball training.
Yan.
Good luck.
Yung beach volleyball antic nitong si Jovelyn Gonzaga lumabas in that last play.
Jonella has been serving since yesterday at
Yan.
napuyat.
Ikaw kasi.
Yes, that's
ikaw,
it. There's the setting
palit
change.
tayo ng battery na remote control.
Ivy Perez pumasok na. So, as of now, hindi maganda naging resulta ng ginagawa ni Ruby De Leon as the setter. So now, papalitan na naman siya for Ivy Perez. And we said in our scouting report, Ruby De Leon has to play a lot of minutes para makuha ng NU. Ngayon pala, first set, naupo na kaagad.
Yun, tsaka yung unforced errors din ng NU, even with their attack. Marami lang.
Alma will miss. Nabasa nito. And now, Jaja Santiago to serve.
Well, Laudin is in front for NU. Ito, kailangan siya to lead the way for
Right.
NU. She's to lead by example. So, kailangan nasa kanya yung, kumbaga fighting mode, di ba?
Papa on the back set. Nobody's marking Dakis, but she will miss.
And again, the blocking of NU. They have to sustain their blocking.
Ayun, si Jaja. Kailangan lang gawin ni Jaja, ipasok niya lang lahat ng serve niya. Habang nandiyan sa harapan si Dindin.
Tama. Ganyan ang team game kasi,
Right.
di ba? Ayaw mong sayangin dahil alam mo nga,
Oh!
nandyan yung
The
malakas
one
na
thing
spiker.
na hindi niya dapat ginawa, ang ginawa niya.
Right. Doon sa doon nakikita yung teamwork, di ba?
Carl Simborio will come in. Sabi nga ni Coach Shaq, ito daw Simborio, pangarap niya maging center. Pinapasok siya pag crucial para matuto.
At tibayan na ang loob.
Oh,
Yan ang maganda sa kanya. Galing siya sa pagiging spiker.
right.
So huwag mong mabigyan ng regalo.
There's Ivy going over to Dindin. Binuhay ni Rachel for how long? Bumagka na si Pon sa bench nila. Again, while Dindin is in front. One rotation lang. Si Borio inupo na ulit.
Ito naman sa kabila.
Gil Valdez will come in to do the serving duties.
Hindi,
Ano?
dwarf,
For
defense.
floor defense.
Yes.
Correct.
Alam ko, naging libero din nila
Oo.
si Valdez.
Myla Pablo. Trying to keep NU in this first set. Yan yung mga sure serve na kinailangan kanina ni Jaja.
Correct.
Drop ball from Ina Papa. A drop ball from Ivy Perez.
And that's a smart move. Ivy Perez, nakita niya yung butas.
And a quick timeout by Shaq de Los Santos.
Pero pag galing sa diba? Okay. Kuha mo yung tumba lang. Pasukan mo na maganda tumba, tapos pa doon. Sinigay mo na kay boss. Hasi. Bigay mo lang na maganda, okay? Till, backline ka, gitna. Pwede, backline gitna pag nag-miss ball. Caturation mo, ha? Ay, isang maganda lang.
Yes. Kasi puno kasi nitong drop ball muna. Ito si Ina Papa. Tapos sabi naman ni Ivy Perez, kaya ko rin yan. Malaki nga butas. Lakas ng tili ni
Yun ang kailangan ng
Guapa.
NU at this point. Kailangan nila mabalik yung makuha yung momentum kasi ang taas na ng kumpiyansa ng FEU.
Right. But again, 5 set points for FEU. Kaya pa makabuli ng NU ito. Myla Pablo, another sure serve. Agno on the reception. Combination play. Pons out of nowhere. Will miss again.
Yeah, that's wide for Bernadette Pons. She risked it too much.
Nauubos na ang inimpok ni Shaq de Los Santos. Quick na. Hiningi na. Sinenyas na yung quick play. Okay nang ma-block. Huwag lang ma-out. Short serve coming from Pablo. Pons. Dug up there by Aganon. They go to Dindin. At tinawid naman ni Palma. And Perez. Kinuha naman ni Dakis. Back set. Running attack. Palma. Ato si Pablo. Jen Reyes. Aganon. And Ando keeping it alive. Long rally. Pons. Dug up there by Pablo. Perez going to Mina. And there's a dig by Jovelin. Pons. Labas. What defense for both teams.
Ang ganda naman. Excellent exchanges ang nakita natin dun sa dalawang kupunan.
Triple set point na lamang. Kanina po, 6 yan. Or 5, sorry. 24-19 was the score then. Pablo.
Ito yan ang smart serve, di ba? Galing kay Pablo. She's just making sure that it
Oh!
comes in.
Still alive! Papa ngayon. Pons. Gusto na patayin. Ando naman si Dindin. Back set. Palma. Cross court!
And Palma gets it with a cross-court hit. At napadasal si Coach Shankton. Sa huling tira na yun ni Palma.
25-21. Hinabol ng NU. But you get the sense na gising na itong NU.
Oh, yes.
Heading into the second set. Shaky shake in play. Remy Palma with the cross-court detonation. FEU takes set number 1.
Sa akin, yan talaga yung biggest advantage dapat nila. Pero yun na nga, lumamang pa yung FEU ng isa.
Jen Reyes could not contain that one. So FEU gets the first point.
Well, so far, Santiago Dindin, along with Pablo, 4 points na. Pero si Pons, 6 na puntos na. Rachel with 5 points.
And Remy Palma now to serve. Mataling na serve. Nakuha naman niya ni Dindin. Back set ngayon for Myla Pablo. Losot. Hindi na masasagit yan.
Si Rachel ang kinayang pa dun sa second ball. But, and you will have to adjust. And I'm sure they will in this second set.
Rachel trying to lead by example once again. So tabla tayo 1-all. Jaja will serve. Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil and Aerosol is a proud partner of the Shakey's V-League, proudly Philippine made.
So far, NU with 5 dicks at FEU with 6.
Papa, iniwan para kay Pogs. Walang tao sa likod. Nagtinginan yung magkapatid.
And nakita mo si Pons up in the air. Sinulya pa, nakita niyo na kung saan niya dadali ng bola.
Ayan, saan natin dadalhin yung mga yan mamaya? Walang upuan dito.
Wala
Ngayon lang
na.
kayo dumating. Atin na yung Lady Eagles in the house. At sabi ni Coach Mac, hindi daw niya nakilala na naka-casual na daw.
No, ganyan, minsan nga tayo,
Nakalugay.
ganyan din eh. Pag binabati ako outside nagugulat ako.
Alugay na. Look at this. Desiree Dadang getting the start here.
Ito yung isa rin na pwedeng gamitin ni Coach Dong, si Dadang. Alam naman natin na kahit papano dati may halos para spark plug din to for NU. So let's see kung siya yung makakapagdala ng renewed confidence.
That's right. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Dadang in as the utility spiker to start the second set. And Genevieve Casugod, unmarked at the net. Wala rin tao sa likuran.
And by pagka-miss-hit pa nga yun, di ba? Kaplok pa yung,
Oo.
yung
Kaplok ba tawag doon?
yung paano ni Genevieve. But,
Tawag
yes,
yan sa Pugat Mama, splag. May S dapat, splag. Net violation, nasugod. Yep. That will be the second time na matatawagan na nasugod for that net violation.
Agano na ngayon ang nasa service line. Pero si Mina Agano, we've known her to be the silent operator in the part of NU. Ngayon, but today, too silent.
Hindi silent sa Twitter yan, kung sabi ko sa'yo.
Talaga.
Dakis, Reyes, Ruby, tinawid. Nagkabangga si Ruby sa si Dadang that time. And Rachel makes the pay.
And that was a off-the-block hit. Dadang on a single block. Sana kay Rachel. Parang kinupit yung buhukan.
Yun na nga, sinasabi namin last week pa yan parang nagpagupit si Rachel. So, ano yan, para mas maging aerodynamic. Kasi nga, haba na ng buhok naman talaga, no? Last time yata nagpagupit na, grade 7 pa yata siya. 4-3. Ang ating score. Yan, natama tuloy si Kasugot.
Parang tuhot na yung buhok.
And they're tied at 4. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Desiree Dadang did not see action in Game 1. And ang dami nang hinihingi sa kanya rito sa Game 2.
Hindi kailangan again, no? Yung kumpiyansa lang, maibalik dun sa side ng NU. Siyempre, up by 1 game ang FEU, tapos up by 1 set ngayon. Siyempre, medyo mahirap yan eh. But still, you have to do it. Kailangan may paghugutan.
Alayin nyo na po may kalamangan, yung errors lang ng FEU, which they minimized in the first set. Baka dumami lang dito. That's something that they need to work on. Here is Papa now. Palma, there's another error right there.
No connection at all between Papa and Palma.
Sa triple P threat nga itong FEU eh. Papa Palma Pons. Papa Palma Pons. Parang ano eh, parang rarap ka Papa Palma Pons. Papa Palma.
Gusto mo lang yan. Gusto mo lang gawin yan, Noel.
Queen Rachel,
Oh.
masyado malakas.
Right, and hindi natin natawasan doon sa ilang niya, but
At a
that
good
was
reception.
decision.
Good reception though by Marge Tejada doon sa likuran.
Ganun kalayo.
Ganun kalayo. 7-4. Good serve there from Dadang. No second ball. Puro error na ang FEU. 8-4. And you on top here in set number 2. Ngayon, kay Ann Remulla-Canda.
Salamat. Mababa ang nilalaro natin at hindi ito elimination round. Kailangan natin mag-receive ng maayos para maka-opensa. Yan ang bili ni Coach Dong kanina during the huddle sa NU Lady Bulldogs. At sinabi din niya na they need to be more alert and they need to be sharper as well on the floor and be a threat at the net against FEU. Para naman sa kapanan ng FEU, things are definitely going in the right direction for the team, lalo na sa first set. But ang bili nitong si Coach Shaq is for them not to relax and to be ready dahil hindi raw palalagpasin ng NU ang pagkakataon na bumawi sa kanila ngayong second set. Noel and
Well,
Modi?
NU is doing that right now, and sabi natin talagang galit ang NU lumabas papunta rito sa ating second set. That is dropping it in. And sometimes, you know, you have to use a little magic.
Mahirap nga daw talunin minsan na buena. Diba?
Oo, yan, tingnan mo. Oh, blank ka na, di ba? Sabi ni Rachel, sabi ko kaya.
Minsan
Point.
kasi yung off timing, diba? Yung hindi inaasahan ng kabila.
Ang taas ng bolang yun. Wala kasi si Jen din dun sa loob. Rachel. Ligasas the official ball of the Shakey's V-League and a bad decision by Ruby De Leon. Pupunta sana siya kay Dindin. Wala naman si Dindin. Nag-running sa likod si Jaja.
Jaja, nag-running kasi. So, akala niya A-quick sa likod.
Ano mo, dalawang sa Chaga kasi nandyan sa katabi ni De Leon
Yan ang
ngayon.
minsan, because now it's not their usual position.
Right.
Siyempre, may adjustment rin sa mga centers yan.
Yun yung remote control.
And you now with 3 attack points, FEU having 4, pero ayun, may service 8. Pero NU may block point at service 8 na rin.
At of course, down to 2 points ang kalamangan ng NU. Ruby, perfect setup for Jaja.
Yan ang tamang height. Diba? Ang ganda ng mga kombinasyon na pwede mong gawin dito pag ganyan kalaki ang middle hitter mo eh.
6 feet 6 inches tall. Yan po si 18-year-old. 18 years old pa lang, 6'6 na yan. Ayan po yung mga Ateneo Lady Eagles nandun po sa likuran sa mga fans na nagtitweet na naman. Puno na naman timeline ko sa kakahanap sa kanila. Here is Ruby. Pablo on the delay. Papa across. Bernadette Pons. Goal. Muntik na mapuhunan ko si Myla Pablo. Tumitikit na naman ang FEU. Ina Papa, ang init na dito sa San Juan Arena. Dati lamig dito.
Sa dami lang ng tao at gusto natin mas mainit para mas maraming tao. Okay lang.
Kung summer, okay sana rito eh. Summer pa rin, wag uminit na bigla ito.
Ang
Ruby!
init na ng laro kasi. Katulad niya, Ruby De Leon once again on the dump. Patali-talikot, no look dump.
Ang kabisado mo na yung height ng net.
Ala Janet Serafina, ala Ruby De Leon.
Si Snow mahilig. Jeff Ferrer nga, mahilig din sa gano'n, no? Light Tiger Mosquito Coil and Aerosol is a proud partner of the Shakey's League. Proudly Philippine made. And that one will hug the line. Nagkaroon ng pektus nung tumama sa net at pasok yung tira ni Pons. 11-9. Coach Dong, looking at Coach Ejen. Thinking about the defense. Alma. Santiago overcooks the reception. Another score. Hiraman ng remote control itong FEU.
Hiraman, basahan. Parang ano yung baton, di ba? Relay.
Iliwan na lang. May mesa yata dito sa likod. Ay, ano po na?
Pero sabi ng, syempre, na wala yan.
Wala, maubusan din daw ang baterya yan.
Oo.
Here's Papa now. Gonzaga out of position. Jen Reyes, Ruby, Jaja, everybody out of position sa NU. Papa, back set, Jovelyn, yes!
Just at the right spot.
And now, Mayonic Guapa has tied us up at 11. Simple lang tira dito kay Guapa, eh, no?
Ibang klase. Pagkatapos tatawa eh, hindi mo alam. Kung ikaw yung kalaban, mainis ka. Pero kung ikaw yung fans, nakakatuwang panoodin.
Right. Good serve by Palma. Ruby, iniangat para dito kay Mina Aganon off the hands of Jovelyn.
There you go, another off the block win from Mina Aganon. Si Mina should again play her game. Dito, habang lost yung iba. Si Mina kasi sa akin, dating ang tawag ko sa kanya, siya yung kapag stabilizer, silent operator.
Right.
Will not have very high numbers, but steady. You will get it every game.
Kasi syempre, yung star open spiker nila, si Myla Pablo. Here is Papa now on the reception by Dakis. Gonzaga's block na lalabas. And Myla Pablo did everything in her power para gawin ng maganda yung block na yun. Pero ang lakas na talaga ng palo ni Bionic Guapa. So we're now tied at 12. Now the serve from Bernadette Pons. Ruby. Nice bait by Ruby. Overreaching si Genevieve Casugon. And once again, we're reminding you live po tayo ngayon.
Live na live.
Dito po sa GMA News TV. Ito yung kahilingan ng fans. If there is to be a Game 3, that will also be live next week. Papa. Ayan na naman. Jovelyn. Tied at 13.
Yan lang talaga yung labang nila. With Jovelyn and...
Tignan mo naman to.
Yes. And Rachel around. Look at that. Look at that hit. Iwas sa blockers kahit nasa harap na niya eh.
May paturo-turo na si Jokes kayo na nalalaman, ha? If it's one family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Gonzaga on the serve. Ruby, hala! Wala kumuha kay Tindin. You have to remember, open spiker na si Tindin ngayon, ha?
Yan naman din ang adjustment na kailangan isipin ng FEU. Lalo na you have Papa there. So halos parang talagang si Tindin yan ang gagawin pass.
So ang ginawa ngayon pala, naging middle si Dadang. Si Tindin yung ginawang winger.
Maganda din yun yung mga adjustments nga na nakikita natin na ginagawa dito. Sa NU side, as Papa, net block on that block.
Yan. Si Papa nga, is not really that tall. Doesn't even jump very high. Pero again, one of the smartest setters. In fact, the best setter in the league.
At yung lakas ng loob, ibang klase.
Aganon, sharp
nice
serve.
sharp serve.
Here's Dakis off the block. Jen Reyes. Dindin. Ay, hinawakan pa ni Pons. Palabas na yun. Dakis gives it up. Ruby. Combination for Dindin.
Oh,
Net block, net block.
yes, that's a net block. But Dindin Santiago trying to go for a block. Try to ask that block daw. Dapat ikasugod yun.
It did not look like it. Mukhang lamang yung tape dun eh. 15-14. Isa na lang po ang abante rito ng NU.
Yan ang binabatayan kasi ng second referee natin.
Right. Ruby, quick set to Dadang. Jen Reyes on the coverage. Kabila, Dindin. Binuhay ni Papa. Dakis off the block. Pablo. De Leon. Combination.
Oh!
Dindin. Ando si Pons. Kabila, Dakis. Will miss.
Oh, that's wide. Asking for a check.
Naghahanap
No
lahat ng check ball. Wide.
Asking for a check.
Yes, it is
Wala.
wide.
It's given to NU. No check now.
That's a good decision by Philip Sison na kumonsulta sa lahat ng linesman sa second referee bago humatol. And that one went wide for Dakis. 2-point lead for NU. Second technical timeout. Cebu, tapos
Malapit na kay Anang Naga, ha?
Abu Dhabi.
Oh,
Abu
malapit
Dhabi,
na
mas
ba?
malapit yun. 16-14. Rachel Dakis with FEU down by 2 here in set number 2. Dindin, net block.
Another net block for Dindin. Alam mo, masyado na rin kasi, siyempre gusto niya papatay kagad yung bola. Pero yung baon yung angle.
Nais niyang ipakilala sa buong mundo kung bakit siya ang MVP. Pero sometimes it's trying too hard to prove a point could be bad. Here is Rachel.
Oh,
Wala na.
long one.
Walang baterya rin mo.
Buti, di mo pinansin. De
Wala kang
Leon
baterya.
now. De Leon now with nice excellent set. Si Papa, 12 na, ha? Partner.
Eh, yun naman talaga yung duelo na mangyayari between the youngster and the veteran. Dindin now back. And there's Rachel. Papa ngayon, tawid kay Pons. Ginamit ang kamay ni Ruby.
Yan ang mga techniques. Well, partner, speaking of techniques, gusto ko lang i-announce, Rising Stars Volleyball Camp. Yung anak ko, ha?
Ay.
Attention, female players 13 to 16 years old. Take your game to the next level.
Yan.
Rising Stars Volleyball Camp with international coaches from LA. Aries Pada, former US NCAA All-American middle blocker.
Yun.
Saka MVP to. Head coach of Malibu Palms Volleyball Club. At may kasama pang strengthening coach.
Oh,
Oo, nagaling din sa UCLA. May gold medal excellence itong kanilang Chris Usher. So if you want to take your game to the next level, register at your local Titan shop.
sa Titan kayo pupunta para po
Yes.
sumali.
Saka ano lang po, 60 lang yata ang available eh. 60 slots
Ay, i-reserve mo na yung
Kaya
anak ko dyan, middle
kailangan
blocker
magpadali.
kaya
Yun
anak
nga
ko.
eh. Ang
Oo.
maganda nga rin itong coach na to, middle blocker. So marami talaga pwedeng maturo, lalo na sa matatangkad na batang tulad ng anak mo.
14 years old, 5'5". Patangkad na ba yun?
June 4 to 6.
June 4 to 6. Mark your calendars, folks. Eto ngayon, si Mina Aganon. Dug up there by Dakis. Gonzaga!
Ay, alam mo,
Nagulat si Myla Pablo.
bakit siya nagulat? Dulong-dulo na yon, malapit na sa antena. Pero nagawan pa rin ang paraan ni Jovelyn Gonzaga. Ibang klase lang ang acrobatic skills nitong bata. Tignan mo, andun na siya, gilid na ng antena.
Nagulat talaga. Namutla doon. Ito si Myla Pablo sa ginawa itong magic. The Jovelyn Lion Tiger, Mosquito Coil, and Aerosol is a proud partner of the Shakey's Feeling. Proudly Philippine-made. Good serve there coming from Pons. Back row attack. Galing naman dito kay Dindin. Here's Papa. Going to Gonzaga once again. Dindin lips it. Ruby, papunta rito kay Mina
Oh!
Agano. Net block na naman.
Alam mo, napapansin ko ang Eddie, nagpipigil sila. Gusto nila ibaon yung mga palo nila. So, naninet block siya
Yan.
eh.
Eh ngayon, lamang na FEU. Kanina po, 4 ang kalamangan or 9 points or 5 points was the biggest lead. And a conference here between Ina Papa and first referee Philip Sison. Hindi ko alam kung anong naisip parating ni Philip Sison kay Coach Shaq. Lapit naman si Captain. Hirap pala pag Captain ka, no?
Oh, ikaw lang ang ano dyan.
Kakausapin.
With direct communication dun sa coach at dun sa
Sabihin
ating
ni si Ruby.
referee.
Andiyan si Dindin sa no, pero si Ruby nagre-reklamo. Si Ruby lang pwedeng gumawa nun, ha? Na hinahayaan minsan ng mga referee.
Kasi sobrang kilala na naman
Oo.
nila si Ruby.
Combination play. Myla Pablo. Lusot kay Pons. Or kay Palma rather. And now, tied at 19. May kita natin ulit dito. Again, a good combination play run. And took advantage of the fact na walang libero doon ang FEU. Now, Jaja. Into the net.
Again, that's into the net.
Second error on Jaja Santiago's serve.
Ang dami lang no? Ang daming errors na gano'n. Yung masyado nilang nililist na close to the net,
Right.
sa ibabaw ng net. Pero ang nangyayari, net block, or katulad nun yung serve into the net.
Isa na naman ang alamangan dito ng FEU. Here's Ruby on the back set. Mina Agano turn back by Kasugod. Jen Reyes will set things up. Masyado malapit pa yung Agano, pero tinalo niya si Daki sa joust.
Yun na nga, Agano again, very simple. Nakita niya si Daki. Winalis.
Yeah.
Diba? Swiped it off the block of Daki.
Valdez will come in. Papalitan muna si Myla Pablo para sa serving duties. And the next libero na rin. So, Gail Valdez. Ano kaya ita-target niya rito?
It's sure serve,
Yeah.
Lalo na ayaw mo na magkamali at Jomini Gonzaga once again targeting that zone 1. Kanina pa, kung napunta na bola niya.
Jen Reyes wala sa pwesto that time. Charm Simborio will come back into the game. May kita natin dito on that combination play. Wala man lang sa frame si Jen Reyes. 21-20, FEU. From Hordan Guimaras, the reigning Shakey's V-League Open
Sarap mangga dyan.
MVP.
Yes, mangoes.
Oo, si Jobely Gonzaga.
Oops!
Din, muntik na makadali. Rachel, ahay! That was off the block of Mina Ganon. Hindi na nasakit yan si Jen Reyes.
Nagkagulo ng
Time out, Dom de la Cruz.
Rachel getting that point.
Na. Pusing din lang sa'yo. Yan na. Pag-isip. Labas. Wala mo.
Naubusan na naman masasabi si Coach Tong eh.
Hindi, kailangan bumalik ka lang sa simple.
Ah.
Diba? Sa basic. Kailangan mo lang makuha to get this next point. Yun ang kailangan doon. Tumama kasi sa tape ng net. Kaya itong si Jen Reyes, medyo na yung timing niya, di ba?
Ah.
Hindi nag-match.
And Gonzaga hoping to serve it out para sa FEU. Ganda na naman ang serve. Ruby, combination, Mina Aganon.
With no blocker at all. Gets the point niya ng tama.
Simborio out, Papa back in. At baba sa isa ang kalamangan dito ng FEU. NU needs to take this set to tie things up.
Yeah, it has to be the connection of Ruby De Leon and Dinkin Santiago now for NU.
Hulog! Check ball!
But Kasugod getting that point. Very simple volleyball. Easy taking for Kasugod.
Kaya kinokontest ni Dindin na wala daw siyang hinawakan. So Jonella will come back in.
Ang ganda ng pagkapalit, Jonella, the cute Jonella.
Bakit
With a
hindi
very
cute-
tall.
hindi cute si Jack Jack?
Ibig ko sabihin na maliit. Di ba o yun? Ikaw kasi pinasabi mo pa sa akin eh. Hindi masyado malaki.
Petit.
Oh, yan.
Petit si Jack Jack. Kasama
Ano
ko gabi.
Jack Jack?
Ito si Joanna Bell. Alam ko si Jack Jack.
Ikaw yan, ayan kasi.
Pinsan kasi ni Jack
Oo,
Jack.
nga,
yan.
correct.
Oo. Ivy Perez will come in to finish this set. Ruby De Leon is out.
So another close second set.
Timeout FEU.
Oh, mananayin ko sa bago.
Ipapaguhin si Coach Shaq.
Okay. Ito sa backline ha. Pero kumuha ka ng play. Kuha ka ng play. Okay, okay. Running. Hindi, istiyan mo lang. Ngayon, pagkalanganin. Tulapon mo doon sa kita. Kem, kalin mo. Over na ngayon. Over na. Tama na.
So now, a little bit of an adjustment dito. Nakita nila yung lineup nitong kumpuna ng NU. As we take a look at this last play once again coming from Dindin. 3 blockers, pero dinaan niya sa gitna. Sa pinakamaliit.
Yun. Very easy kasi for Dindin to direct her ball because of her height.
Right. Dadang with the serve. Papa to Rachel. Dadang keeps it alive. Mina Aganon. Free ball from Jaja. Papa. Rachel. Off the block. Kept alive by Valdez. Dindin. Here is Papa now. Running attack. Palma!
Ito yung magandang makita ni nagugustuhan ni Coach Saka, no? Kanina si Kasugot with a crucial point off the block. Ito naman, Palma now with a cross-court hit.
And timeout for NU now facing 2 set points.
Wala. Isang patay tayo. Balik tayo dyan. Lagyan mo lang si Dakis. Ikaw mag-quick. Pasukan mo. Running. Ha? Pasok running. Diyan. Labas. Ikaw mag-open. Dalawa lang. Diyan ka lalabas. Diyan. Pag ano, palatan mo.
Tama naman, ano? Isang patay lang nasa kanila na yung serve.
Hindi, correct yun, and syempre, napakalapit pa rin yung score na yan, eh. Diba?
Right.
So, 1 point down ka na lang. Kailangan isa-isa lang. Don't think about the 24 points of FU so much.
Now serving the Queen.
At malakas ang chance ng NU dahil nandiyan ang Santiago Sisters sa harap.
What a serve by Dakis. Papa now. Bernadette Pons. Inangat ni Mina. Ivy Perez going to Jaja. Off the block. Gonzaga. Dakis. Going to Pons. Pons is blocked. Kept alive by Aganon. Ivy Perez. Jaja. Kept alive by Jen Reyes. Jaja again. Kept alive by Agno. And Palma misses.
It ends with that low bat connection. Wala ka connection eh. At all on the side of FEU.
Pablo will return to the front.
Ito na ang NU.
Dindin, best server of the league. Trying to keep NU in this.
Woo! At ang crowd natin.
Dindin,
Ang
good
ganda.
serve.
Ang ganda ng serve.
Pons. Ivy Perez, combination, Laila Pablo. Drop kick. Binuhay pa rin. Jaja pushes. Papa. Pons. Block. Pons keeps it alive. Jaja. Oh! Overreaching against Jaja.
What a set.
FEU has taken set number 2 on an overreaching error from Jaja Santiago.
My goodness. What a second set. Let's take a look at that once again.
Shaky play na natin to, Tita Mosi. Nakikita natin, na running attack, Remy Palma. At Billy, maraming
Nakakatuwa, no?
salamat.
Nakakatuwa. Again,
Oo.
thank you, fans. Thank you. Yung lalo na yung mula simula, nandun na.
Yes.
Nanunood.
And the third set now begins. Pons, Jen Reyes, Ruby. Unang punto sa inyo.
Right, Dindin Santiago now with 9 points. Pablo with 6 and Santiago Jaja with only 3. Yun ang hinahanap natin.
Usapan natin yun.
Yung
Usapan
mga
ng coverage.
atake. Yan ang
Jaja needs
kailangan.
to score more. Kung nakaka 18 points si Jaja against mga kalaban na India. Naka 3 points lang siya rito against FEU so far.
So, sa kabila naman, it's Gonzo has 10 points. Dakis with 9. Gonzaga with 7.
Pons now with 11 points after that attack. Ayun si Remy Palma.
Yes.
San Juan Arena. So, pasensya na po ng konti. Alam naman natin na we have a technical difficulty. May power fluctuation po within the venue. But we are now back live here on GMA News TV. Patuloy po itong ating third set. And that shot will miss coming from Myla Pablo. So, ang score na po namin, FEU 11, NU 8. Dito po sa ating third set. Once again, Walzano, kasama si Mojo Rabrena and Andrew Mulyacanda live here on GMA News TV.
Okay. Sabi nga ng ating Davao Agilas daw nanonood sa atin ngayon.
Ayun.
Ayan, bumalik na kami. Request nyo eh.
Ay, batiin natin mamaya.
Alakas nyo sa amin eh.
Oo, yung mga taga Davao lang pala magpapabuhay sa coverage natin. Here's Jovelyn Gonzaga and she will miss. Of course, Coach Shane Alagao.
Yes, Coach Ramil.
We again had technical difficulty dahil sa isang power fluctuation po dito sa ating venue. But we are back live
We
now.
are back. We are definitely back.
So, mukhang yung air conditioning natin hindi pa restored dito po sa San Juan Arena. Ivy Perez with a sharp serve. Received there by Tin Agno. Bernadette Pons, ipamimigay. And here's a ganon. Sending it across. Myla Pablo. Binuhay ni Papa. Pons. Dakis galing sa likod. Dato si Jen Reyes. Backset ngayon. Aganon.
Ganon. Ito yung iniintay ko. Diba?
Aganon.
Kumana rin. Para just to set the tone.
Walang katanungan dito. That 10-minute or more lull, sino ang nakinabang doon at sino ang nadehado doon?
Tama.
Looks like NU was able to benefit from that break. Eto ngayon, si Ivy Perez. That's out.
Yan yung mga sayang lang, di ba? Kanina pa natin sinasabi sa inyo yung mga enforced errors nila sa atake,
Right.
sa servisyo.
Well, eto ngayon, si Remy Palma, Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil and Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil and Aerosol is a proud partner of the Shakey's V League, proudly Philippine-made. And Palma with a good serve. Perez hahabulin, crossing violation. It appears, yes, crossing on Ivy Perez.
So, error na naman. Something that NU, they have to address those enforced errors. Hindi pwede, sayang.
Now serving, Remy Palma once again. Malakas.
Ito naman. Buti na sa kabila.
Nasa
Hindi naman ang
naman.
sinagot ni FEU.
Nasa likod na naman niya si Eliza Valdez.
Pero lamang pa rin ang FEU ng 2 puntos.
Pero still, you cannot lapse into errors also if NU is lapsing into
Right.
errors.
Tsaka yung sabi mo nga medyo nagkalal tayo. So baka, alam mo yung momentum.
Oh, that's good.
Maagaw na
Gonzaga.
NU and it flipped the line, definitely. Jaja gets the point.
So, isa na lang po ang abante rito ng FEU.
Sabi nga, Carlo Lastimosa in the house daw.
At sa bahay niya pa si Carlo?
Kumakain.
Nakita ko si Pam sa labas. Of course, congratulations once again to Adamson for taking the bronze medal earlier. And Jaja with a service error.
After
For
an
30
ace,
days, oo.
neutralized by a service error. Ang storya dito na NU so far.
Bernadette Pons. Now serving. Reyes. Perez. Aganon. Off the block. Agno. Di naman sasagip.
Pero yung ating dalawang liberos, maayos naman ang nilalaro nila, pero iwas na iwas sa kanilang spikers.
Exactly.
Iwas ang mga spikers sa dalawang, siguro matuturog nating magagaling na liberos dito
Best
sa ating
receiver.
tournament.
Oh, best receiver si Tin Agno. Jen Reyes. Marami ng trophy. And Dakis. Marami ring trophy. But not a championship in the Shakey's V League with FEU.
That's right. It's off the block point for her.
Jovelyn Gonzaga ngayon, 15-13 para sa FEU. Here's Perez. Across for Dindin. Nakaabang naman doon si Kasugod. Perez on the back set. Minaganan adjusting. Agno. Papa. Dakis. Again!
And off the block point na naman.
Or rather, FEU up. 16-13. Perez now, iniwan para kay Aganon. Perez, sa kabila naman, Dindin Santiago into the net, and Dindin is not having a good day.
That's right. Maraming errors na hindi naman natin nakikita sa kanya yan, di ba? Na kanyang kadami.
Balik ulit si Ruby De Leon. Upo ulit si Ivy Perez.
Kanina pa, salit-salita ng pasok-labas dito ni Ivy at saka ni Ruby De Leon. Itong si Coach Dong really trying to get that, yung magkiklik na anin sa loob.
Aganon overcooks the reception and it goes out. 5-point lead for FEU. 2-0 lead for FEU. Time out, NU. So, ano ang pwedeng gawin pa ng NU para ma-overcome ito? Malayo pa,
Malayo pa to. So, kailangan lang nila kumilos na ngayon at ilimit yung mga errors nila.
Gonzaga on the serve. It's a good one. Reyes. De Leon. Quick set to Dadang. Saved there by Gonzaga. Here's Pons from the back. Reyes cannot keep it alive. So may halong swerte na rin.
Tama yan. Yun nga sana sasabihin ko, partner. Pero napakahirap kalabanin. Pag ganyan, may halo pang swerte. So far, Santiago with 11 points. That's it in Santiago. And 5 points for Jaja Santiago. Myla Pablo with 6. Sa kabila, Pons with 12. Dakis with 14. Gonzaga with 8.
And again, a miscommunication issue. 2013, Dong De La Cruz will use his last timeout of the set. Napakuno po sa 13 puntos siya. Kanina, it was 15-13. 5 straight points na ngayon para sa FU.
Right. And alam mo, kahit pagsamahin natin yung pagpalit-palit ni De Leon at ni Perez, 16 excellent sets galing sa dalawa. Kay Papa, 21 na partner.
Oo. Gonzaga with another good serve. De Leon, Dindin. And finally, nakapuntos na ang NU.
Hindi na lang ang kailangan dito sa pupunta ng NU to lift yung spirit na NU. Matagal pa to.
Lion Tiger Mosquito Corn and Aerosol is a proud partner of the Shakey's Feeling, proudly Philippine-made. Mina Aganon. Papa, kasugod on the run. Hindi na nakapunta ni Pablo. 21-14.
Napapansin ko lang, parang slow na yung movement ng NU. Hindi na sila kasi as aggressive as the first two sets.
Is it fatigue setting in para dito sa NU Lady Bulldogs? Nakangiti na itong mga taga-FEU. They know they are 4 points away from their first ever Shakey's Feeling Championship. This is their first ever finals appearance. Jonella. De Leon, quick set to Dadang.
Oh, there you go, Dadang from the middle.
Babalik ulit si Ina Papa. 21-15. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Desiree Dadang. Down 6 ang NU. Good serve. They go to Rachel once again. Rachel will miss.
Buhay na buhay pa ang NU dito.
Oo, pero kailangan buhayin din nila sarili nila.
Correct. Tama yun. At lalo na ngayon, Jaja Santiago in front along with Sister Dindin.
Right.
Ang lakas ng front line.
Another good serve there from Desiree Dadang. Dakis. Hindi na naman nakuha ni Myla Pablo.
At si Coach Shaq, nakatayo na.
NU
Only
is-
3 points needed
Oo.
to take this match.
And NU is out of timeouts. Rachel and Dakis. 'Queen' Rachel. De Leon. And Jaja drops it in. Collision between Agno and Gonzaga. They're okay. Tandaan natin that Jovelyn Gonzaga has a bad left shoulder yan, hinahawakan niya.
Pero walang tape ngayon, partner.
Ano?
Parang ayaw ipakita na injured siya. Di ba minsan ganyan eh?
Maraming
Para
injury
mga
at
100%.
si Ilonggang Guapa, si Bionic Guapa, kung alam lang po ng lahat. And Dindin overshoots.
That goes long for Dindin. Yun ang storya nito, partner. Yung mga
Errors.
errors ng NU.
Yep. But this is still not over for the Lady Bulldogs. Ina Papa to serve. Reyes. De Leon, iniwan para kay Jaja, that's blocked. Jaja going to Pablo. And Pablo will miss.
Pinasama sana ni Pablo, but goes wide. FEU with match point, partner.
Championship point for the Lady Tamaraws. On the serve of their captain, Ina Luis Papa. 7 championship points. Good serve. De Leon. Pablo. Off the block. Dakis is there. Papa. Pons. Dug up by Reyes.
But a net violation. Tama
Yes,
naman.
net
Gumalaw
violation.
talaga. Yes,
Looks
that's
like
right.
Gonzaga matatawagan dito.
Tumuloy-tuloy sa net si Gonzaga.
Oo. So one match point save, one championship point save. The veteran, Ruby De Leon.
Sure serve.
Dakis. Papa. Gonzaga is over!
Yeah,
San Juan Arena. So, pasensya na po ng konti. Alam naman natin na we have a technical difficulty. May power fluctuation po within the venue. But we are now back live here on GMA News TV. Patuloy po itong ating third set. And that shot will miss coming from Myla Pablo. So, ang score na po namin, FEU 11, NU 8. Dito po sa ating third set. Once again, Walzano, kasama si Roger Ravena and Andrew Mulyacanda live here on GMA News TV.
Okay. Sabi nga ng Davao Agilas daw nanonood sa atin ngayon.
Ayun.
Ayan, bumalik na kami. Request nyo eh.
Ay, batiin
Ang lakas-
natin mamaya.
ang lakas
yung mga-
nyo sa amin eh.
Oo, yung mga taga Davao lang pala magpapabuhay sa coverage natin. Here's Jovelyn Gonzaga and she will miss. Of course, Coach Shane Alagao.
Yes, Coach Ramil.
We again had technical difficulty dahil sa isang power fluctuation po dito sa ating venue. But we are back live
We
now.
are back. We are definitely back.
So, mukhang yung air conditioning natin hindi pa restored dito po sa San Juan Arena. Ivy Perez with a sharp serve. Received there by Tin Agno. Bernadette Pons, ipamimigay. And here's a ganon. Sending it across. Myla Pablo. Binuhay ni Papa. Pons. Dakis galing sa likod. Dato si Jen Reyes. Backset ngayon. Aganon.
Nina, ganon. Ito yung iniintay ko. Diba? Sa
Yun,
side
ganon.
kumain na rin. Para
Oo.
just to set the tone.
Walang katanungan dito. That 10-minute or more lull, sino ang nakinabang doon at sino ang nadehado doon?
Tama.
Looks like NU was able to benefit from that break. Eto ngayon, si Ivy Perez. That's out.
Yan yung mga sayang lang, di ba? Kanina pa natin sinasabi sa inyo yung mga enforced errors nila sa atake,
Right.
sa servisyo.
Well, eto ngayon, si Remy Palma, Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil and Lion Tiger Mosquito Coil and Aerosol is a proud partner of the Shakey's Feeling, proudly Philippine-made. And Palma with a good serve. Perez hahabulin, crossing violation, it appears. Yes. Crossing on Ivy Perez.
So, error na naman. Something that NU, they have to address those enforced errors. Hindi pwede, sayang.
Now serving, Remy Palma once again. Malakas.
Ito naman. Buti na sa kabila.
Nasa
Hindi naman ang
naman.
sinagot ni FEU.
Nasa likod na naman niya si Eliza Valdez.
Pero lamang pa rin ang FEU ng 2 puntos.
Pero still, you cannot lapse into errors also if NU is lapsing into
Right.
errors.
Tsaka yung sabi mo nga medyo nagkalal tayo. So baka, alam mo yung momentum.
Oh, that's
Maagaw
good.
na NU and it clipped the line, definitely. Jaja gets the point.
So, isa na lang po ang abate rito ng FEU.
Nagsabi nga, Carlo Lastimosa in the house daw.
At sa ba, hindi pa si Carlo?
Pangay.
Nakita ko si Pam sa labas. Of course, congratulations once again to Adamson for taking the bronze medal earlier, and Jaja with a service error.
After
A
an
service
ace,
ace, oo.
neutralized by a service error. Yun ang storya dito na NU so far.
Bernadette Pons. Now serving. Reyes. Perez. Aganon. Off the block. Agno. Di na masasagip.
Ano yung ating dalawang liberos? Maayos naman ang nilalaro nila, pero iwas na iwas sa kanilang spikers.
Exactly.
Iwas ang mga spikers sa dalawang, siguro matuturing nating magagaling na liberos dito
Best
sa ating
receiver.
tournament.
Best receiver si Tin Agno. Jen Reyes. Marami ng trophy. And Dakis. Marami ring trophy, but not a championship in the Shakey's League with FEU.
That's right. That's off the block point for her.
Jovelyn Gonzaga ngayon, 15-13 para sa FU. Here's Perez. Across for Dindin. Nakaabang naman doon si Kasugod. Perez on the back set. Minaganan adjusting. Agno. Papa. Dakis. Again!
And off the block point na naman